Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate destination for all things numismatics. Today, we're diving deep into the story of the 2014 Lincoln 1-cent coin. While it may seem like just another penny in your pocket, there's more to this coin than meets the eye. We'll explore its design, history, minting details, and potential value. We'll also discuss what makes this coin special and how you can identify key factors that might turn a regular penny into a collectible treasure. So, stick around and let's uncover the secrets of the 2014 Lincoln cent. Let's get started. The Lincoln cent has been a cornerstone of U.S. currency since 1909, when it was introduced to commemorate the 100th anniversary of President Abraham Lincoln's birth. Designed by Victor David Brenner, it was the first U.S. coin to feature a real historical figure instead of an allegorical symbol. Over the decades, the Lincoln cent has undergone several design changes. In 2010, the reverse design was updated to feature a Union shield, symbolizing Lincoln's role in preserving the United States during the Civil War. This new reverse replaced the Lincoln Memorial design that had been in use since 1959. The 2014 Lincoln cent continues this legacy, blending historical significance with modern design elements. Design features of the 2014 Lincoln cent. The 2014 Lincoln cent boasts iconic imagery on both sides. Obverse. The obverse features the classic right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designed by Victor David Brenner. The inscriptions include, "In God We Trust." Above Lincoln's head, "Liberty," to his left, and the date, 2014. To his right. If minted in Denver or Philadelphia, a D or no mint mark will appear below the date, respectively. Reverse. The reverse, designed by Lindo Base, features a Union shield with 13 vertical stripes representing the original states, joined by a horizontal bar symbolizing unity. The banner across the shield reads, 1 cent, and the inscriptions, United States of America, and E Pluribus Unum, surround the design. This design pays homage to Lincoln's commitment to national unity, and is a fitting tribute to his legacy. Minting details and composition. The 2014 Lincoln cent was minted in vast quantities across multiple facilities, ensuring its availability in everyday transactions. Here are its key specifications. Composition: 97.5% zinc and 2.5% copper plating. Weight: 2.5 grams. Diameter: 19.05 millimeters. Edge plain. The use of a zinc core with a copper plating has been the standard composition for U.S. cents since 1982, making them lighter and more cost-effective to produce. Mintage numbers. The 2014 Lincoln cent was struck in 3 locations. Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark, 3,990,800,000 coins. Denver Mint, D mint mark, 4,129,600,000 coins. San Francisco Mint, S mint mark proof coins, only approximately 740,000 coins. With billions of coins minted, the 2014 penny is widely available. However, certain factors, such as condition or errors, can significantly affect its value. Condition and grading. The value of a 2014 Lincoln cent largely depends on its condition. Coins are graded on a scale from poor P1 to mint state, MS70. Here's a breakdown. Circulated coins. These coins, commonly found in pocket change, are typically worth face value unless they have unique errors. Uncirculated coins, MS60, MS70 coins in pristine condition, with no signs of wear, can be worth 10 cents to $5, depending on their grade. Proof coins struck with a higher level of detail and a mirror-like finish, are highly collectible. 2014 S-proof pennies can fetch $2 to $15, depending on their condition. Grading your coin professionally can help you determine its true market value. Rare errors and varieties. Certain errors and varieties in the 2014 Lincoln cent can make it highly valuable. Here are some to look out for. Die cracks and cuds. These imperfections occur during the minting process and create unique raised lines or blobs on the coin's surface. Double die errors. Coins with doubling in the inscriptions or design are highly sought after by collectors. Off-center strikes. coins struck off-center are rare and can command premiums depending on the degree of the error. Clipped planchets. These coins have a portion of their edge missing due to planchet errors, making them unique. If you suspect your coin has any of these errors, consult a numismatic expert for authentication. Market value of the 2014 Lincoln cent. Here's an overview of the potential value ranges. Circulated coins, face value to 5 cents. Uncirculated coins, 10 cents to $5. Proof coins, $2 to $15. Error coins. Depending on the rarity and type of error, values can range from $50 to over $500. While most 2014 pennies are only worth a cent, rare errors and high-grade examples can attract significant interest from collectors. Preservation tips for collectors. To maintain the value of your 2014 Lincoln cent, follow these tips. Storage. Store your coins in a cool, dry place, preferably in airtight holders or coin albums. Handling. Always handle coins by their edges to avoid leaving fingerprints or oils. Cleaning. Never clean your coins, as this can damage the surface and lower their value. Grading. For rare or high-grade coins, consider professional grading and encapsulation to protect them. Proper care ensures that your coins retain their condition and value over time. The legacy of the 2014 Lincoln cent. While the 2014 Lincoln cent may seem ordinary, it holds a special place in U.S. numismatic history. Its design and symbolism reflect the enduring legacy of one of America's greatest presidents. Whether you're searching for rare errors or simply appreciating its artistry, this coin is a fascinating piece of modern currency. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive exploration of the 2014 Lincoln 1-cent coin. We hope you've gained valuable insights into its design, history, and potential value. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let us know in the comments if you've found any rare 2014 pennies or have questions about your collection. Until next time, happy collecting.